Okay, today I'm going to show you how to integrate 3uTools with PhoneTest.app. It's the same way as integrating it with Phones.trade. We're the same business. We make your phone flipping, cell phone repair store, or direct buyer enterprise smoother, faster, and more profitable. Okay, so if you want to see what we can do for you, schedule a call at Phones.trade. But for now, let me show you how to connect these two babies so we don't have to build something similar than 3uTools, and we can focus on making more money. Okay, we all know 3uTools. If you sell to China, you know this is the first thing where they plug in the phones. So it's very convenient if you can share the 3uTools report with them before you ship out the phones, right? They love it, so do we, and so will you. So how this is going to work? 3uTools recently created a Mac version, which was great. Because before we had to use the i4, which was kind of Chinese, and it didn't really work as good as 3uTools. But right now the Mac version is the same. You go to your settings. On Windows, it's a little bit different. There's like 3 bars you have to click to go to your settings. And then you go to proxy settings. And then in proxy settings, you put the HTTP proxy and you put 3u.phones.trade and you put the port 6446. Okay, that's our proxy. And that means from now on, if you put the proxy and you can test it, and it says proxy available. From now on, every time you plug in the phone in your computer, the report goes through a proxy. We save it in the database, and you get to see a copy of that. Okay, so now that's okay. You see here, there's no report on this device. Let's plug it in. And then as soon as this loads, and you can see the verification report, this loads. Now, if we go back, we actually have to refresh this real quick on the table here. Which one was it? iPhone 13. You need to add the serial number, okay? Because we only get the serial number from 3uTools. We don't get the IMEI. So when you link it with the serial number, now you go to the report. By the way, if you put in the wrong serial number, we don't have a report with that serial number. You get an error, so you can't really mess this up. But you see now that report is here as well with the timestamp, which was just 30 seconds ago. Okay, so this is how you integrate 3uTools. So from now onwards, you have in the cloud backed up the 3uTools report from the moment you had the phone in your hand. So whether you use that in your cell phone repair business or your phone flipping business, or to please your Hong Kong buyers, do it what you like, but we're integrated. So enjoy. See you on the flip side.